Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to refill your Straight Talk phone online, it's one of the fastest and most convenient ways to keep your service active without needing a physical card. Many users prefer this method because you can complete the entire process from your phone or computer in just a few minutes. However, if you're not familiar with the steps, it can be a bit confusing figuring out where to go and how to apply the refill correctly. Once done, your service is usually updated instantly. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to refill your Straight Talk phone online quickly and without any issues. Try these. Step 1. Open the Straight Talk website or app on your device. Step 2. Log into your Straight Talk account. Step 3. Select your phone number or active line. Step 4. Choose a service plan and proceed to payment. Step 5. Enter your payment details and confirm the transaction. Step 6. Wait for confirmation and check that your service is active.